Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cadence Virtuoso. Start by launching Cadence Virtuoso, then create a new library to house your project. It's crucial to define the correct technology library, which provides access to all the design rules and components you'll need for your circuit. Next, create a new cell view, usually a schematic, within your newly established library. This sets the essential foundation for your entire circuit design process. Now, let's build your schematic. Begin by placing essential components, such as transistors, resistors, and capacitors, directly onto the canvas from your chosen technology library. Carefully connect these components using wires to establish the circuit's intended functionality. Don't forget to add input and output pins to clearly define the interface of your design, ensuring proper signal flow and connectivity for your circuit. With your schematic complete, it's time to simulate your design. Launch the Analog Design Environment, or ADE, to configure all your simulation settings. Choose the appropriate analysis type, whether it's a DC operating point, an AC frequency response, or a transient analysis over a specific time period. After setting up, run the simulation and then carefully analyze the output waveforms in the Integrated Waveform Viewer to verify performance. Finally, let's move to the physical layout of your circuit. Generate a layout view directly from your schematic, then carefully place and route the physical components, adhering strictly to all the design rules for manufacturing. It's essential to perform design rule checking, or DRC, to ensure manufacturability, and layout versus schematic, or LVS, to rigorously verify that your layout precisely matches your schematic for accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.